Mommy Dane here, and today, what are we gonna do, Mom and Daddy?
We are gonna go see Captain Underpants!
Yeah, the first epic movie.
Tra-la-la.
Yeah. You don't know who Captain Underpants is. He's based on a book made by Dave Pilkey, so you should check it out in the library and read one of the Captain Underpants books, and even the first epic movie. That just already came out on June 2nd. So we decided to check it out today. Yeah. So we got back from the beach, and now we're gonna see Captain Underpants. That's his first epic movie. So, yeah, stay tuned. Alright, we just saw Captain Underpants, and so what was the favorite part, Mommy?
I think when they said what Professor Poopy Pants' real name was.
Yeah.
I can't even remember it, but it was funny.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
P.P. Diarrhea Stein Poopy Pants.
But I thought I once heard his name. I thought his name was Professor Pippi P Poopy Pants. Yeah, in that Professor Poopy Pants theme song, like that Dave Pilkey made. Yeah. Like yeah, and also the Turbo Toilet 2000 from that other books. Like, you know, it's dumb that Dave Pilkey never made the Captain Underpants 13 book.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
I feel like Alice is
yeah, maybe. You make me wish I were dead. Intended to make your life easier, you busy bee. Mango.
Talon!
Oh, hey Dane. Hello, Dane. sorry guys, I don't have it all the time. There's these two crazy girls that try to attack me. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and leave a like and comment. I gotta go!